Hi guys, today I guide you how to make aggressive shake on Capcut. Want this?
At last! There is no one left in this world who can resist me!
This is a simple vedio. Firstly, you go transition. Now go to camera. Select shake. Now do this all transition. Now go to Vedio Effects. Go to Nightclub. Select Vibration Flesh. Go to Adjust, Intensity, Glow, and Range is full. Now carefully adjust in the start. Now copy and put in all effects. Now go to Vedio Effects. Now go to Opening and Closing. Adjust like me. Now go to Adjust. Blur Full and Intensity 68. Go to Object. Select All Vedio. Now add keyframe in the start and at the end. Do all 0. Now copy and put in all clips. Now go to Vedio Effects. Select Low Exposure. Adjust in the clip. Now copy and put in all clips. Adjust in all clip. Now go to again Vedio Effects. Select Wide Angle. Adjust like me. Intensity full. Now add keyframe in the start and at the end. Intensity 0. Now copy and put in all clips. Now click the clip and add keyframe in the start, middle, and at the end. Go to Graphs. Select Ease Out 1. Do all clip like this. Now go to Select White Overlay. Now put an overlay. Adjust in your first clip. Go to Blend. Select Overlay. Now go to Animation. Go to Out, select Fade Out and Out in all vedio. Now done. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share.